Is there a limit to how many tenant complaints can be handled? In the world of urban property management, a pressing question has emerged. Is there a limit to how many tenant complaints can be handled? Just yesterday, property managers across the country were discussing this topic as they navigated the complexities of tenant relations. With the rental market becoming more competitive, understanding how to effectively manage tenant complaints is essential for success. Tenant complaints can cover a wide range of issues. These include maintenance requests, safety concerns, noise disturbances, and disputes with neighbors. In cities that have strong tenant protections, such as Los Angeles, tenants can file complaints with local housing departments if they feel their rights are being violated. Importantly, there is no legal limit on the number of complaints a tenant can submit. Each complaint is meant to be reviewed and addressed according to local housing authority procedures. For property managers, dealing with numerous complaints can be quite a challenge. While there is no official cap on complaints, practical limits exist based on staff availability and time constraints. Property managers are responsible for documenting all complaints and responding promptly. They must also follow up to ensure that issues are resolved. In Los Angeles, the housing department has a process in place for tenants to file complaints, and each one is supposed to be investigated. This means that, theoretically, every valid complaint should be addressed. However, high volumes can lead to delays in response times. In areas without rent control or strong tenant protections, such as Nevada, the process is simpler. Landlords and property managers are still required to respond to maintenance requests and other issues. However, there is no formal complaint process through a city agency. Tenants can report problems, but resolution often depends on the lease agreement and local landlord-tenant laws. Again, while there is no legal limit on complaints, landlords must address them within the required timeframes. For property managers aiming to succeed in urban settings, establishing clear communication channels is key. Keeping detailed records and responding quickly to all complaints can help build trust with tenants. While there is no law stating a limit on complaints, being organized and efficient is vital for managing whatever challenges arise. It is essential to remember that each city and state has its own regulations. Staying informed about local laws and any changes is crucial for providing excellent service and maintaining positive relationships with tenants. This proactive approach can make a significant difference in tenant satisfaction and overall property management success.